Marketing tools. Marketing is the process of turning a consumer into a buyer. Marketing tools are used to implement this task. Conventionally, they can be divided into 4 groups: price, products, sales, advertising. Let's take a closer look. Price. This includes the costs of production and sale of goods, the product range, the criteria for choosing a target audience, the political and financial situation in the country. Often it is the cost of goods that determines the level of demand. Sales. This category includes tools that increase consumer demand. For example, bright packaging, in fact, is the seller of the product. Discounts, promotions and other measures to stimulate the interest of buyers are also used. The participation of products at exhibitions and fairs helps to promote a new product to the market. Advertising, online and offline channels for promoting goods and services. For comprehensive business development, it is desirable to use 2 directions. The first is that it works faster and more efficiently with consumer demand. The second is irreplaceable in the branding of the company. Let's take a closer look at internet marketing tools. Contextual advertising. This is the display of text ads in Google search results. The advantage is the speed of attracting high-quality traffic due to relevant texts. The disadvantage is a paid type of promotion. In competitive niches, the cost per click can reach $10. Real estate, cars. SEO. Website optimization to meet the requirements of search engines. According to statistics, the first page of search results for any user query generates 95% of traffic to the site. Of these, 60 to 70% of clicks are on sites in the top 5. Promotion in search requires many times more time than contextual advertising, but the result is of higher quality. SMM. What is social media marketing? These are primarily interesting posts, viral publications. Usually a company opens a group or a public in social networks and posts information about products, promotions and news there. Holds contests. The basic principle of marketing in SMM is unobtrusive, native. Targeted advertising. This tool is based on the preliminary selection of the target audience, analytical marketing function, and the demonstration of relevant advertising to them. Marketers study the behavioral factors of the target audience, demographic characteristics, geolocation of users, collect retargeting lists, browser cookies. Targeting is not inferior to contextual advertising in efficiency, and even surpasses it in budget savings. Banner and teaser ads. One of the most cost-effective tools for promoting goods and services with pay-per-clicks on the offer. Banners are usually placed on Google and Yandex partner sites. The task of banners is not so much to sell as to increase traffic to the selling page. Viral advertising. A kind of active promotion. A viral post on a social network or a video on the YouTube channel causes an active response from the audience. The publication is liked, told to friends and acquaintances, commented on. All this naturally increases brand awareness on the web. Content marketing. This tool is often called guerrilla marketing because it is suitable even for startups without a budget. To promote the company, products use selling texts, collect customer reviews, recommendations. In short, they create maximum benefits around the products so that a potential buyer can evaluate the advantages and make his choice. Retargeting. A tool that allows you to work with departed users. With the help of retargeting technology, an offer relevant to their interests is sent to users who have recently visited the resource. Advertising is often provided with a discount or bonus. Promotion and aggregators of goods and services. Marketplaces are platforms that collect a lot of trade offers from different companies and show them to potential buyers. Such resources usually have high attendance rates, so you can find your audience. Push messages. A new and quite effective marketing tool. The peculiarity of push is that the user without problems agrees to receive notifications and he does not need to fill out a questionnaire for this. Simply subscribe to notifications in the browser. Messengers. By analogy with social networks, messengers give tons of high-quality traffic to the site. The main advantage is convenience. Accounts in messengers are created easier than in social networks. Users are always with their gadgets, which means they can reach the target audience as quickly as possible. Email marketing. Email newsletters are one of the ancient, but no less effective marketing tools. The main condition for the productivity of the mailing list is the presence of a customer base with email addresses. Mobile applications. Today, at least 5 apps from Google Play or the App Store are installed on each phone. These handy programs are, in fact, providers of customer data. Using them, marketers create a portrait of the target audience, which allows you to sell more. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel.